Rotary Club of Secunderabad started in the year 64 and completed its 50 years of its service in the Rotary. And happened to be, really, it is my fortunate that I happened to be chief guest of this evening. I never thought of it actually. I never thought, and it's the most memorable event for me. And just 5 days ago, I attended another club charter night that is, it is 65 years old, and it is the oldest club in Telangana state. Now, it is the oldest. Earlier, it was the second largest, oldest club in AP. And now it is first club, oldest club in. Then comes your club only, I think, that. And you got wonderful legacy. One more thing is that this club has produced so many leaders. Apart from club leaders, I have seen, as I told you now itself, a vibrant PDG Suresh and Dana Karnudu, D.N. Gauri Saab. He is one and only the Archcom Society member of Rotary District 3150, Gauri Saab. And of course, past President Madhu Suresh and Balachandraji, Gaura Srinivas and VSR Murthy. And he is the Rotary Foundation area chairman also. I expect a lot of things from him today, this year. And P.V. Ravikumar is another friend of mine. He is the chairman for Paul Harris Society member. And I cannot forget the senior most members of Gopinathji, maybe he must have not come today, and Madhavrao Garu, very senior members of this club. And others, of course, I don't remember their names. If anybody has their juniors, I don't remember. But anyhow, this, if we don't spell this name, it will be only half completed. Gaura family. The Gaura family of this club is most vibrant. Gauri family and Gaura family. We can't forget these two names. Gaura Srinivas Garu, Gaura Ashnayan Garu, their family members. It's wonderful. RA President Gary Wong had given a call when I have taken up, I have underwent the training program in San Diego or elsewhere also. He has given a call, specific call that involve family members, involve spouses, that I see here. Even President has come with entire family members. And this is a wonderful thing because there is a 100% cooperation from the family members is first of all, is first required for a leader. And then Gary Wong had also given a call for light up Rotary. You have made me to light up Rotary here. As of course, it is a wonderful scenery. This idea did not struck me. Otherwise, I would have done it in assembly. You are really wonderful. This is a wonderful idea. We are lighting up here as a what you call a symbol of lighting up Rotary. Friends, I am very fortunate to install you as president of this wonderful club. And also, of course, I congratulate Ramchandra Garu, Balachandra Garu for completing a year of service with so many awards, so many things, etc. Sirish, your entire team, Balachandra Garu and Sirish and your entire team do deserve more awards and more this thing actually, but time is less because in the Rotary they have given only 1 year of service. 1 year of service because they know that they cannot do more than that. Because there is no impediment, there is no rule, there is no restriction that one should not contest for any number of times. But I have not seen any PDG contesting again. I used to have an idea, why don't they contest for second time or third time, fourth time if the youth permit. They don't do it because maybe reasons may be different from individual. But for me, it appears that enough is enough. We have done a lot of service and we should give opportunity to others. Maybe that is the motto. Even presidents also, many presidents do not contest, only less, we see only less number of presidents. And of course, there is a say that if a club is electing a president repeatedly, either club is weak or president is dominating, either way. So either you must take that either club is weak or president is dominating others. So it should not be the case of any club. Actually, a healthy club is not that. So every time leaders will change, that is the Rotary. Leaders will change, but not the leadership. Friends, you must not have seen any organization of 110 years started with 4 members, ending up with 200 countries, 12 lakhs and odd on members all over the world, across the globe, managing time to time, adopting the policies from time to time, changing its strategies from time to time, and existing and having 100 more years of foundation. Have you ever seen? Can you anybody, any one of you can quote an organization or an institution, a company, a partnership firm? I don't think. So that is Rotary. That is Rotary. For 110 years, it is, because it is very difficult to run a family business for 100 years. With all our commitments, with all our unanimity, with all our endeavor, with all our profit mottos, etc., it may be difficult to run a family unit, family business. So many countries, so many languages, so many feelings, so many policies. Why? Even a club curriculum, starting of a club and ending of a club is different from country to country, state to state, club to club. See, the way in which you have started may not be the way in which the other club starts. So there is so much of diversity. Still there is uniformity. That is Rotary. So friends, I feel that I am very proud to say that I am associated with such an organization which has existed for the last 110 years, having a foundation of another 1,000 years. So this is the wonderful organization where we belong to, and this is the wonderful organization where you are going to lead. We are going to lead. And this is the club, wonderful club, which you are leading.